Eggshells are actually ruining your garden. You've seen the viral videos telling you to crush eggshells, throw them into the soil, and watch your plants explode with growth. But here is the brutal truth. You are just burying garbage, and your plants are starving for calcium right now. Look at this. This eggshell was buried a year ago, and it's still completely intact. Why? Because eggshells are made of calcium carbonate, a compound tied up in a rock-hard crystalline matrix. It takes years, sometimes decades, for soil microbes and natural acids to break this structure down into an ionic form that plant roots can actually absorb. If you're putting raw eggshells in your soil today, your plants won't taste that calcium until 2028. Worse than being useless, raw eggshells can actively damage your garden. Inside every fresh eggshell is a thin protein membrane. When you bury it raw, you are introducing raw animal protein into your soil. This attracts pests like rodents, ants, and breeds harmful pathogens like salmonella. Instead of feeding your tomatoes, you are creating a luxury resort for root-rotting fungi. To fix this, we need to understand plant biology. Plants cannot chew. They can only drink nutrients that are fully dissolved in water as charged ions. Calcium carbonate is notoriously insoluble in water. Your plant's root hairs are standing right next to the calcium, completely unable to touch it. This leads to blossom end rot in tomatoes, calcium deficiency in peppers, and stunted growth in your prized houseplants, all while you think you've solved the problem. Here is the professional, scientifically proven way to unlock eggshell calcium instantly. Step 1. Preparation. Ever use raw shells? Wash them thoroughly in warm water and peel away that inner organic membrane. This eliminates the pest and pathogen risk. Next, bake them in an oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, or toast them in a dry pan. This makes the shells incredibly brittle and sterilizes them completely. Step 2. Pulverization and activation. Throw the dry, brittle shells into a high-powered blender and grind them until they turn into an ultra-fine, flour-like powder. The smaller the surface area, the faster the reaction. Now, the magic step, water-soluble calcium. Put 2 tablespoons of this powder into a jar and slowly pour in organic apple cider vinegar or white vinegar. Watch that intense bubbling. That is a chemical reaction breaking the tight bonds of calcium carbonate, releasing carbon dioxide, and creating calcium acetate, a highly bioavailable, water-soluble form of calcium that plants can instantly drink. Once the bubbling completely stops, which takes about 24 hours, strain the liquid. Dilute just 1 tablespoon of this powerful calcium concentrate into a gallon of water. Water your plants with this solution once every 2 weeks. You are now delivering pure, instantly absorbable calcium straight to the roots. No rot, no pests, just explosive, healthy growth. Stop burying garbage, start applying science. Subscribe for more gardening truths that actually work.